In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Google Drive, then share this link. First, I open Google Chrome on my PC. Then I need to click on this option, Google Apps. Then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then select Google Drive. Again, click New. Then File Upload. For purpose, I select this video. You can see it's already processing to upload on Google Drive. Once it download, once it completed, you will just click on this one. Again, click on share. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy. Now click on share, then copy link. This is a method how you can upload a video on Google Drive, then share this link. Thanks for watching. See you again.